Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this series of lecture we have started the lab experiment of digital signal and system lab, which is for the engineering third semester electronics and communication branch, and also for the students of IT and computer science branch. We have already discussed and I have already shown you to how to perform the experiment number 1. The experiment number 1 was about the verification of the truth table. So in which I have shown you how to verify the truth table of OR gate, and I have told you that we can perform with the similar procedure we can follow to verify the truth table of other logic gates as well. So in the today's experiment, the experiment number 2 is about the verification of De Morgan's theorem using the logic gates. So first of all, I would like to recall the De Morgan's theorem, that what is the De Morgan theorem states. So as you can see in the screen, the De Morgan's theorem for two variable states that when we do the OR for two variable like A or B, and then we complement the whole thing like A or B ka whole complement is equals to A complement and B complement. Okay, so in the symbolically we say A plus B whole complement is equals to A complement dot B complement. For the three variable we can say A plus B plus C whole complement is equals to A complement dot B complement dot C complement, and for the other one we can say A dot B dot C the whole complement is equals to A complement plus B complement plus C complement. So what we have to do, we have to verify this. So how we can do it? We can do it via truth table. Okay, so what we can do, see here this is the equation. Okay, so for equation how many variables we need three variables. So in the kit also we will be having three inputs. Okay, so here are the three inputs, and as we can see in the left hand side we need an AND gate. Okay, because the AND operation and logical operation is going on in the left hand side, so we will have a AND gate. Here you can see an AND gate. So in the AND gate what we have done, we have given the inputs simply. So these are the three inputs A, B and C, and we have got one output, let's say it O, and then this output we have given to the NOT gate, because this whole we have to do the complement, and we know that the complement is to do the NOT gate. See, for complementing I have done the NOT gate, and we have got the first output, that is O1. This is the first final output, which is the output of the left hand side of this equation. Okay, so then we will have the right hand side of this equation, that is A complement plus B complement plus C complement. So what we will need for this, we need an OR gate. Okay, and for complementing each of this input we will need the NOT gates. Okay, so here you can see we are having the NOT gates. So because of these NOT gate, the input of the OR gate will be A complement, B complement and C complement. So the output of this OUT gate will be A complement plus B complement plus C complement. Okay, so this is the output 2. So what we need to see is our output 1 and output 2 should be equal, then only we can say that the De Morgan theorem is verified. Okay, so this was the theory of this experiment. So what we will do, we will take a kit in which we will be having a AND gate, we need NOT gate also, and we need an OR gate. Okay, so now we will perform the experiment. So students, this is the kit of Boolean algebra trainer kit, and then with this we will be doing the Boolean algebra, that is the De Morgan's theorem. So first of all what we need is the three input. As you can see we have here three inputs, and we are putting those inputs directly to the AND gate, and we have given the AND gates output to the NOT gate, and the NOT gate output we are giving to the LED indicator. And then what we need is, we need three NOT gates, because we want the complement of each input. So now we will be using these NOT gates. So we are giving the inputs to the NOT gate so that we can get the A complement, B complement and the C complement, and then the output of these NOT gate we are giving to the OR gate. Okay, so we will be giving the output of these NOT gates to the OR gate. So as you can see we are completing our circuits. Okay, so we are giving the NOT gate to the C input, and then we will give the output of these three NOT gates to the OR gate. As you can see in the right hand side, we have an OR gate. So we are giving these outputs to the input of OR gate, and then we will give the output of the OR gate to the LED indicator, which will show the output of this circuit. So okay, so we are having output 1 in the LED indicator 1 and output 2 in the LED indicator 2. Okay, so now first of all we have put all these 1. Okay, so switching on, we see that both the inputs are same. Okay, so as per our logic, then when we are changing the inputs, again both the LEDs are blinking in the same way. It means both the outputs are same. So this shows that that the Boolean theorem is proved, because both the outputs are the same. Okay, now when both the output is 0. Okay, so when one output is when the one output is 1, then the other one is also 1, and when one output is 0, the other one is also 0. It means the left hand side is equals to the right hand side, hence the De Morgan's theorem is proved. So thank you for watching this.